You don't have to select entire words before applying direct character formatting. With the proper word options set, simply putting the insertion point in a word is enough for the program to apply character formatting to the whole word. The general way that you accomplish tasks in Word is to select the text on which you want to perform an action, and then perform the action. For instance, if I want to make these words be bold, then I first select the text, and then I click the Bold tool on the Home tab of the ribbon. There is one instance where this Select Then Act rule is not followed by Word. If you want to apply formatting to a single word in your document, you don't need to first select it. All you need to do is make sure that the insertion point is within the word. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to make sure that the Home tab of the ribbon is displayed so that I can easily access the formatting tools. Now, I'm going to zoom in just a bit here so that you can see the effect that I want to show. I'll place the insertion point within this word right here, the word paste. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the Bold tool. Notice that what Word did was to make the entire word bold, even though only the insertion point was within that word. Now I'm going to press Ctrl-U. Notice that it underlined that word, and you can see that the underline tool is selected on the ribbon. Finally, I'm going to press Ctrl-Spacebar. This returns the formatting of the entire word to its default setting. You can try this out with virtually any character formatting. It even works if you make changes in the font dialog box. Any changes you make in the dialog box are automatically applied to the entire word. If this whole word formatting thing doesn't work for you, it may be because of the way that you have word options configured. Go ahead and display the Word Options dialog box, and then click Advanced at the left side of the screen. In the Editing Options section at the top of this dialog box, make sure that this second checkbox here is selected. When selecting, automatically select entire word. Then you can go ahead and click OK to get out of the dialog box. This setting controls not only how words are selected, but also how they are formatted when using the technique described in this quick tip. If the checkbox is selected, then the formatting works as described here. If the checkbox is not selected, then whole word formatting won't work. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.